Sally here, and I am going to do my second tag for my tag swap with my sisters from Three Sisters Sundries and Lolly from Lollipalooza. So this is what it will look like. So I just thought I would walk you through it. I have been doing a lot of fussing and changing my mind and not liking what I'm doing, so I think I'm okay with how it turned out, but I don't know. Okay, so I cut most everything out on my Cricut, of course, and so I cut this blue glitter paper and this cute snowflake tag here. So I'm just gluing those together. I'm using Fabri-Tac because this is glitter paper and it's kind of plasticky. So I'll just centering those. Okay, and then this is just going to go in the middle of the doily. Just use the Fabri-Tac still. Go ahead and do that to the other two. And so I think I'll punch my holes. I just used the one I made as a guide and made some little pencil marks here. And then I have these circle snowflakes. I'm just punching out the center of those. So now I'll glue these on. Okay, so now this was kind of about that far down. So I'll just put some glue in the middle. Glue that so that the tags are up. Change my mind. I was going to use these. I'm using these chipboard accents, the Merry Christmas from Cartabella. I was going to use these Santas and probably this little car, or maybe the Merry Christmas. So this Santa I may want to go so that the tag is that way. So this one I will glue on that direction. And that one will be for that one. Gonna go like that. Okay, so we'll go ahead and glue this down. Oops. And grab this little Santa here. Oh, get him out. Oops. going off the edge there. And last one, let's see, which one do I like better? So, car, so cute too. The snow globe definitely looks better. So, it'll just say Merry Christmas twice, I guess. Okay. Right in the middle. Okay, so then my sister told me she wanted these cute Christmas bulbs. So there's enough to do, if I cut them, to do 3 for each banner, and then I used my SVG file to cut 3 on my Cricut, and then I'm going to glue them together. Well, maybe I did 4, and that can be for mine. So I'm just going to cut that like that. Put that like so. This one. Here's this other. Oh wait, I was gonna. This one I used for me. Oh, actually, I'll go. Then maybe I can just use a pen to extend that line so you can't tell that it's cut right there. Oh man, keep running off the edge. Oh, oh, oh. I'll do this one later. Okay. So then I have these that I have cut it out of white 3 times and then glitter 1 time, so they're 4 layers thick, but even then they need to be popped up above these chipboards. So I have these real itty bitty, well, that one won't need to, but I think it'll look better if I do. Pop it up. Anyway, I have these itty bitty teeny weeny little pop dots. So let's see. So I won't want any at the bottom of the I and the S, or there, or at the end. Okay. So these are a challenge to use. Set that over here. And I'm trying to put them in the, you know, the thickest parts of this, because even these itty bitty ones are too, they show in some places. I'm trying to get it to be so that they won't show. remember. So the top of the S could use one, but I don't know. Don't know if that's bad enough. The letters except for the A and the S. The bottom, I don't think it'll fit. Oop. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, I don't want one. Oh my goodness. Let's see. There, that should be good. And let's see if we can get one more on here. Okay. That should work. Just peel off the backers of these and stick it down. All right, so there is another one done. Oops. The pin back in my glue. Okay, so that's pretty much it, how I did it. So, so I'll just do the same thing on this and get the Merry Christmas put on with the pop dots. And then for this one, for the lights, I'll just glue these four together. And hopefully that will give it enough dimension. And they'll go on there like that. And the Merry Christmas. So when they're all done, I will come back and show you the last two. So there is how that one turned out. These lights turned out better than I thought they would. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I think they turned out pretty cute. I was really debating on these and trying to figure out, and had a lot of different ideas of what I wanted to do, but I am happy with how they turned out. So that does it for my banners. So thanks for watching.